Welcome to another session. Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to tell you something about my field and English journey. If you want to take admission, how to improve English, and if you don't know how to practice English at home and alone, how to practice, and if you don't have any partner whom you can practice English, and if you are doing some work like suppose you have to work your related to your home and your field, like as you can see, I have reached in the farm and I have to cut some sugar cane daily basis. That's why today I did my work. As you can see, I cut these sugar cane and after that I am creating this video. And if you don't have any partner and you want to improve your English and you want to improve your English, some people say if you don't have any partner you cannot learn English, and some people says if you don't have any partner you can use chat gpt. This is good option, you can use chat gpt, but you cannot use it everywhere because you can't be attached physically with chat gpt. That's why many people who had learned English from chat gpt, I used to speak English with chat gpt earlier but not now because I am going to my coaching and I am practicing with my mobile. That's why, and I am creating this blog daily basis. That's why. And if I talk about English, this is a language. Whenever you want, you can speak it. So if you know about Hindi when you got born, and after that you did not know about Hindi because when you born, you was kid at that time, and you did not know about what is was the era in this era and which one language should we speak at that time. So if you get born, suppose you get born and you get born in some other country, like, and you can speak English and you can speak other languages where you born, and this is also things in apply this era. If you live in English era where people speak English, every people speak English. Suppose you have gone in a some villages and some cities, like suppose, and all people speak English there. You can you can understand English there, and you would be fluent in English after 2 to 3 years automatically. Why? Because this era, it automatically makes you to like that. And if you want to improve your English, I am going to tell you something about it. As you know, I am learning English since 1 year. At that time when I was in my 12th, at that time I joined a coaching center and I learned many tenses there and something else I learned there, and I boost my vocabulary from chat gpt. And I used to tell I used to teach story on my second channel. If you don't know what was my channel, I would give you in comment into the box, and after that you could follow and you can see easily on that channel what kind of content did I use to upload on that. And if I talk about English, and if you want to improve it, you have to work your vocabulary. And if you were a English medium student,